Hi dear all. Welcome to the course on Hadoop. So I'm having total 15 plus series of teaching with the expertise in C, C++, Java or Python, and I used to handle data analytics, machine learning and big data, and I am Hadoop certified. Overall 50 articles were published by me in Hadoop or data science with a good number of the citations. And coming to the current course we are going to offer, and which are all the contents related to that Hadoop. We are having the content with Hadoop distributed file system, MapReduce, Hive, HBase, Piglatin, Flume, and Scope. And the roles offered by various industries in the range of big data engineer, Hadoop developer, data engineering jobs, and Hadoop admin. Okay. And what we are going to learn, what exactly the ecosystem. The ecosystem contains various aspects like data management, data access tools, data processing, data storage. So data management, which is basically importing or exporting of the data, and data accessing, processing, and as well as movement of the data, and data processing, friends, actually through programs, how you can process with the help of the MapReduce and ARM. Data storage, actually Hadoop distributed file system and as well as the HBase are used to store the appropriate data. And what exactly you are going to learn, what is the benefit of this course, and you can thoroughly get the usage of the Hadoop distributed file system and programming, parallel processing, and as well as the distribution with the MapReduce implementation. MapReduce is a kind of the programming, friends, and Hive query language, which is providing the simplifying of the MapReduce. So the members who are not having the background of the background of Java or any other programming language, you can take it in a simple way with the help of the Hive. Hive provides some simple queries. And coming to the next one, which is the HBase. So the HBase fundamentally gives the NoSQL kind of thing without any primary keys or without any constraints. If you want to store the data as per your requirements, then you can go with the HBase. Flume and Scoop are two tools which you can make use for the importing of the data. For handling of the unstructured data. Unstructured data, friends, like suppose the data is in the text format, audio, video, all those things comes under the category of the unstructured. And with the help of the Flume, you can handle these kind of the data, which is Twitter analytics and all. Scoop, suppose if I am making use of these particular things, like for the sake of handling structured data, you can go with the Scoop. Okay, so management of um, relational databases, MySQL, SQL Server, all these things, right? And finally, the Piglatin, which is a scripting language. Suppose some people are having the background of Linux or something. In that case, you can make use of the Piglatin. Okay, so this is what how you can make use of this Hadoop usage, and as well as how you can benefit it with this particular course. Thank you.